Namaste. I, Isha, Cultural Secretary of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekananda Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 18th December 2021. Firstly, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज मार्गशीर्ष माह के शुक्ल पक्ष की चतुर्दशी तिथि है, अर्थात मासिक पूर्णिमा का व्रत आज है। आज का नक्षत्र रोहिणी, आज का योग साध्य है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज पौह माह के तीसरे प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह जमद उलसानी की आज 12 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer, so I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
All classes be ready for prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now, I would like to invite Gaurika of class 9th A to tell us about Indian mathematician Varahamihira. Namaste, Gaurika.
Respected principal, sir, vice principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Gaurika of 9th A from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today, I am going to speak about Indian mathematician Varamihira. Varamihira was one of the renowned Indian astronomer, mathematician, and astrologer. He was honored with a special decoration and status as one of the 9 gems in the court of King Vikramaditya in Avanti, Ujjain. Varamihira wrote several important works on Jyotish, including but not limited to Brahad Jataka, Bruhad Samhita, Yoga Yatra, Panch Siddhantika on astronomy, and Prasanna Vallabha Apocryphal. Varamihira's book Panch Siddhant holds a prominent place in the realm of astronomy. He proposed that the moon and planets are lustrous not because of their own light but due to sunlight. The work is a treatise on mathematical astronomy and it summarizes 5 early astronomical treatises, namely the Surya Romaka, Polisa Visista, and Pitama Siddhantas. Shukla status in the Panka Siddhantika of Varamihira is one of the most important sources for the history of Hindu astronomy before the time of Aryabhatta too. In the Bruhad Samhita and Bruhad Jatak, he has revealed his discoveries in the domains of geography, constellation science, botany, and animal science. In his treatise of botanical science, Varamihira presents cures for various diseases afflicting plants and trees. The Rishi scientist survives through his unique. Varamihira was one of the most famous astrologers in Indian history. His work, Brihad Samhita, The Great Complication, discusses topics such as description of heavenly bodies, their movements and conjunctions, meteorological phenomena, indications of the omens. These moments, conjunctions, and phenomena represent what action to take and operations to accomplish, sign to look for in humans, animals, precious stones, etc. Varamihira made some important mathematical discoveries. Among these are certain trigonometric formulas which translated into our present day notation correspond to sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. Another important contribution to trigonometry was his sine table, where he improved those of Aryabhatta 1, giving more accurate values. It should be emphasized that accuracy was very important for these Indian mathematicians since they were computing sine table for applications to astronomy and astrologers. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Gaurika. Now, I would like to invite Simranpreet Kaur of 6th A to aware us about International Migrant Day. Namaste, Simranpreet.
Namaste, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Simarpreet Kaur, a student of class 6th A from St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today I would like to tell you about International Migrant Day. On 4 December 2000, the UN General Assembly UNGA, taking into account the large and increasing number of migrants in the world, proclaimed 18 December as International Migrants Day. The day was selected to mark the anniversary of the 1990 adoption by UNGA of the International Convention on the Protection of the Rights of All Migrant Workers and Members of their Families. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Simranpreet. Now, I would like to invite Palak of class 6th A to aware us about National Minority Day. Namaste, Palak.
Namaste, my name is Palak Ahuja of 6th A from St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today I am going to tell you about National Minority Day. National Minorities Rights Day. India is a country of unity in diversity. The Constitution of India gives equal rights to all citizens of the country irrespective of their ethnic, culture and religious background. The National Minorities Rights Day is observed in India every year on December 18 to safeguard the constitutionally guaranteed rights of religious minorities in the country. In 1992, the United Nations adopted the Statement on the Individual Rights belonging to religious or ethnic minorities, and the same year, the National Commission of Minorities was established in January 26, 2006 on National Minorities Rights Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Palak. Now, I would like to invite Shreyansh of class 7th to share a new word with us. Namaste, Shreyansh.
Namaste. Today's word is confrontation. Its meaning is an act of challenging face to face one to another. Its synonyms are combat, conflict, and fight. Its antonyms are support, calm, and agreement. Example sentence is: India won the Asia Cup 2018 after a close confrontation with Bangladesh. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Shreyansh. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Maninder Singh of plus 2 non-medical, Ayayan Khan of 7th B, Priyansh of 5th A, Ashutosh Kaushal of 3rd B, and Laksha Kaushal of 3rd A. Let's wish them by singing our birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.